Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by clarifying what success looks like. Say the exact output you need and why it matters. Once done, gather 3-5 concrete examples or constraints to anchor the model, and pick the right AI tool or model that supports your format and safety settings. Make sure to set temperature and max tokens to control creativity and length. These choices affect reliability and cost. Start with a concise prompt that includes role, goal, constraints, and an example to produce immediate, testable results. You now iterate rapidly. Run short tests and compare 3 prompt variations or parameter settings to see differences. As you go, validate outputs against your examples, simple metrics, or unit tests so you can quantify progress and spot regressions. Once patterns emerge, refine prompts by adding clear context, explicit step-by-step instructions, and explicit failure cases to avoid common errors. Make sure to log inputs and outputs, because reproducibility lets you roll back changes and understand which tweak truly improved performance. You finish by integrating the validated prompt and model into your workflow or deployment pipeline, using CI checks or a manual checklist to gate releases. Once live, monitor performance metrics, user feedback, and model drift on a regular cadence so you catch degradation early. Make sure to enforce rate limits, set rollback procedures, and keep a human in loop for ambiguous or risky outputs. If things go wrong, revert to a known good prompt and increase validation frequency while you diagnose the root cause.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.